In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Let's set expectations right away so you don't waste time. As of now, Instagram doesn't let you attach new photos or videos to an existing post. Even if your post is a carousel, you can delete individual images from it, but you can't add more after it's live. That said, there's a clean, reliable workaround that keeps your feed looking the way you want. First, open the post you want to update and tap the three dots in the corner. Choose Edit and take a quick look at what you can change. Your caption, tags, location, and alt text are all fair game. If you're hoping to find an add photo option here, you won't see it. That's your cue to use the repost approach. Before you repost, copy your current caption so you don't lose it. You can long press to select and copy it, or tap Edit, copy from there, and paste it into your notes. If the original photos or videos aren't already saved on your device, save them now so you can include them again. Also take a moment to note any people you tagged, the location you set, and any accessibility settings like alt text. Now, create a new post. Tap the plus button. Select the original media in the order you want them to appear, and add the new picture you wanted to include. If you're building a carousel, hold and drag to arrange the order before you proceed. Apply filters or edits to match the look of your original post so the set feels consistent. Paste your saved caption, re-tag people, add the location, and reapply any advanced settings you care about, like turning off comments or adding alt text. When you're happy, publish the new post. Once the updated post is live, go back to the original. To avoid duplicates on your grid, you can archive it so it's no longer visible on your profile, but remains saved for your records. If you prefer, you can delete it entirely. Archiving is safer if you want to keep a history without cluttering your feed. A few quick tips to make this smooth next time. Plan carousels up front if you think you'll want to add more later. Include everything in one go. Keep a running list of captions and hashtags in your notes so reposting is effortless. And try to keep your media in the same aspect ratio to avoid unexpected cropping. That's it. While you can't attach a new photo to an existing post, this repost method gives you the same end result with a polished, up-to-date carousel.